Today is our 31st monthsary! Yay! Love you, love.
Love you more, love. I love you so much.
What do you feel? We are walking here.
Alas wala.
Date lang kami.
Alas wala dos. Iloilo.
What is your message to our future selves? To our future relationship?
Just wait for us.
Just
And we
wait
will-
for us.
And makakanta mo kami sa Japan. O ano man na.
Okay. Sige, sabi mo